A 3 million token burn event is coming to SWGT token, so make sure you pay attention, you don't want to miss this. The token is up 7% today, while the rest of the market is dumping. This is one of the very few tokens today that are on the green, and it's no surprise. A token burn is a powerful mechanism that reduces the circulating supply of a cryptocurrency, and in this case, indeed, as much as 2% of SWGT's total supply will be permanently removed from circulation. That means less supply, which historically leads to an increase in value. In fact, SWGT has bottomed over the course of the last 2 months, and it's making a trend reversal now, and I'm expecting a breakout from its current resistance level because of the $3 million token burn event this Sunday. The supply is limited, and it will be reduced further, helping its market value to rise, and the token holders will see more profit. The pre-sale price was only 13 cents, guys. So we're already up 100% on this one. And the breakout above the current resistance level will indicate further upside momentum. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the potential for long-term growth and stability. The SWGT team is not only committed to enhancing the token's value, but also launching their zero-commission work marketplace, which could revolutionize how freelancers operate in the blockchain space. So this is why in this episode I'm doing a deep dive into this project. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned as I'm coming to you with more crypto alpha 3 times a week, guys. Don't miss out. Now let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Radar, the sister podcast to my Crypto Corner show. This is the place where we talk about up-and-coming projects and everything you need to know in the blockchain space to help you invest wiser into projects that actually have strong fundamentals. And Smart World Global is rapidly emerging as a transformative project in the blockchain ecosystem, combining innovative technology with practical applications across multiple sectors. With the upcoming $3 million token burn event and the launch of a zero-commission decentralized freelance marketplace, SWG is poised to redefine how blockchain technology is applied in real-world scenarios. This review delves into the project's fundamentals, the tokenomics, the team, upcoming events, and its broader implications for the blockchain industry. Smart World Global is the project and SWGT is the token. I'm trading it on BitGet, but the token is already listed on other popular exchanges like Gate.io, Mexi, Bitmart, and from what I hear, a Bybit listing is probably coming very soon. And a listing on any of these larger exchanges is usually a catalyst for its price, so that's also great news. This Sunday, January 26th, the project will conduct a massive token burn, 2% of the total supply, permanently removing tokens worth $3 million from circulation. With a capped total supply of 1 billion tokens, this burn reinforces SWGT's commitment to creating value by introducing scarcity. Indeed, by reducing the number of tokens that are available, the team aims to make the token stronger for both the current and future investors. On top of this, the SWGT team announced the release of their MPV version of Work marketplace. As it was promised earlier, this is a milestone for the project's future. The DeWork launch introduces a zero-commission gamified work marketplace developed by Smart World Global. This is the company. Smart World Global is the company behind the SWGT token. This new platform is designed to connect freelancers directly with clients while eliminating traditional commission fees, allowing users to retain 100% of their earnings. It's one of the core functions of blockchain in the first place, eliminating third-party intermediaries, reducing costs peer-to-peer in every sense. The key features of DeWork include gamification, meaning you can engage in play-to-earn mechanics, enhancing your skills while at the same time earning tokens. Also decentralization, of course, as the platform operates without intermediaries, ensuring transparency and fairness in transactions. And it will provide a wide range of job opportunities for freelancers across various sectors. The launch of the DeWork represents a significant shift in the freelance economy, positioning Smart World Global as a pioneer in creating a more equitable environment for workers in the blockchain space. The news was all over the crypto media, and as this article in Markets Insider outlines, Unlike traditional freelance platforms that impose up to 20% in commissions, DeWork's decentralized model ensures that workers keep 100% of their earnings, addressing a critical need for fair compensation in the global gig community. Through the use of blockchain technology, DeWork eliminates intermediaries, streamlines payments, and delivers a transparent, secure environment for professionals to connect directly with clients. Smart contracts drive the system, enabling instant frictionless transactions and building trust through an immutable, decentralized ledger. This is great news for all investors and can serve as a fundamental for the future growth of the SWGT token. And of course, as I mentioned, a possible listing on Bybit is another thing to look out for. This is very likely to happen since the exchange already added SWGT to their index list. So it's a sign. It's what gives me a hunch that this listing is in the works. Do you want to wait after a listing? I will not want that. The listing will most likely be a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. So the price goes up a lot in the anticipation of these things. So don't sleep on it. The price will react positively to every new listing. So now is a good entry point if you ask me. The project has a very active team as well, which is very important. They recently took part in Token 2049 in Singapore. I didn't go to this one, but I often look out for these things when I attend events like this because it gives me an opportunity to meet the teams behind these projects that I invest in. The SWG team are seasoned professionals with experience at leading tech firms like Google, Microsoft. And another thing that I have to point out here is that despite the market drops over the last few months, and we've had many of these actually this cycle. We've had 6 months of consolidations and drops in this cycle, the longest we've ever had in any bull cycle, and many outs dropped by 60 to 80% below their March highs. But not SWGT. The value of the token did not drop below the pre-sale price even during the summer and even after a huge unlock with 9,000 investors, when many other tokens were crashing. This indicates very healthy growth and a community that is prepared to hold rather than dump at every opportunity. A factor that I take very seriously as community support is everything in this industry. The price has found its equilibrium value, and due to the large advertising in the media and the launch of the marketplace, growth can be expected in the coming weeks and months as well. In regards to tokenomics, what I really like is that the team has one of the longest cliff periods. Team tokens will be locked for about 10 months. The team won't be able to sell a single token during this period, which is great for us token holders. And it's good that it's already on several of the popular exchanges like BitGet, which is where I get it from. It's also on MaxC, Gate.io, where they have even bigger liquidity. So you can grab it from there. They've also built a large community on Binance Square, where influencers regularly talk about them. And that's another bullish factor in my view. By the way, check out this guy, one of the top content creators for SWGT on Binance Square. He's followed by CZ himself, and people come to this project for different reasons, but all are united by one thing: faith and opportunity in a successful technological future, which can bring not only financial benefits, but also social benefits. And this is not without a good reason. Smart World Global, the company behind the token, has been heavily featured not only by influencers in the crypto media, but more importantly, even news outlets like Reuters and CNN have reported about their transport innovations and initiatives that are being tested in the United Arab Emirates, for instance. This is another reason to keep a close eye on SWG and their token, SWGT. We're talking actual real-world infrastructure, and you know, RWA is one of the biggest narratives in crypto this cycle, alongside AI, of course. So I'm very comfortable having the token in my portfolio. The project has generated global attention, with SWGT hashtag trending at the top of financial discussions on X. Just last week, I saw this tweet on X. It shows that SWGT was trending in Turkey, Brazil, and Germany. This is quite big. It's a serious achievement, and it underlines the project's widespread appeal and anticipation. And now, I feature it here, placing it on your crypto radar as a project that has a universal appeal. I think SWG has a potential to impact the blockchain industry worldwide, resonating across different regions and markets. This trend sets the tone for their future endeavors, promising innovative and globally impactful projects in the blockchain tech. On top of all of this, the MENA region has the sixth largest cryptocurrency economy in the world, with an estimated value of $390 billion. This phenomenon can be attributed to the fact that the United Arab Emirates has become a global cryptocurrency hub due to innovation-friendly regulations and allowing advanced crypto platforms to develop in a regulated environment that ensures consumer safety. In the world of IT and blockchain tech as well, Dubai stands as a global focal point, attracting a huge number of companies and innovative startups from around the world. It has become a hub for over 1,000 companies in the metaverse and the blockchain sector, including major players like Binance, crypto.com, Coinbase, Bybit, and many others. These are all part of Dubai's progressive regulatory environment and world-class technological infrastructure catering to the needs of international Web3 and blockchain entities. And among them, SWG has established its presence in Dubai, actively participating in international exhibitions and conferences focused on Web3 and the application of blockchain technologies, which is crucial to growing their brand awareness and with that, investors' appetite. And of course, we all know blockchain technology has huge potential, but today its application and the use of cryptocurrency is unfortunately reduced to speculating on meme coins, as we saw for the last 6 months, which does not create real benefits for people. But hear me out, the focus is shifting now. From what I'm seeing, we're going back to projects with strong fundamentals, those that are leading with innovation and building stuff for the future rather than just for the immediate pump and dump. I'm looking for longevity, sustainability. There are a few projects like SWG that seek to benefit people and offer real-world infrastructure solutions. So this is what I like about it and why I place it on your radar. And don't forget the token burn. It's an event worth $3 million, which will permanently remove 2% of the total supply from circulation, which will potentially drive up demand and price. Currently, the token is trading at around 21 cents, and many predict a potential breakout from the 22 price point following that burn event. This aligns with the broader market trend where reduced supply often correlates with increased demand. More importantly, this is not an isolated occurrence. There are regular token burns scheduled, so there will be future token burns too. And there is utility for the token. It has real-world applications. It's a payment for transport and infrastructure services. It's also having voting rights in the DAO governance. It's also a payment method within the DeWork marketplace and reserve fund formation for ecosystem stability. These are all great use cases for the token, going beyond a simple value transfers and exchange utility. The more utility, the more user adoption. So all in all, with this current token burn event and also the product launch, the innovative work marketplace, and also robust fundamentals supported by experienced leadership, I think Smart World Global presents a compelling investment opportunity. Of course, this is not financial advice. I want to make it clear here that I present my personal opinion and my own analysis and estimates. I could be wrong, and the market can be quite unpredictable, so I urge you to do your own research, and I dropped the relevant links in the description below for you to go and dig deeper and find out more about the specifics of this one. As always, I want to make sure that you know what you're investing in, to understand what these projects are doing, their tokenomics, their utility. Don't just blindly throw money into any token without doing due diligence. And most importantly, if you want to make money in crypto, you have to know what is happening in this market at all times. This is why I regularly bring you market analysis and news, and I talk about all the things that shape up the industry so you can be up to date and well informed and make better decisions for your own success. Thanks for being here. And if you're new to my channel, hit subscribe. I post regularly and all my content is free. And while you're here, just click on the next one. I'll see you there.